it's Jaylee from WTI, and I think this cute tissue box cover is perfect to spice up your bathroom.
I really love the design and texture of this tissue box. It's so simple yet elegant and really cleans up any space. So for whatever your aesthetic or decoration is, I feel like it can really suit any style. And I love that it can fit in any space. So here I use it in the bathroom. So on top of the toilet paper, it fits perfectly right there. So to fill up the tissue box, all you have to do is turn the box upside down, and it contains 3 little hooks on the bottom with a string. So all you do is just take the string on and off the hooks, and then once you turn upside down, you can see how secure the box is. It's really sturdy. So I shake it a couple of times and the tissue box won't fall off. And it's super simple to refill over and over again.
So if you love decorating your house or are looking for something new to spice up your bathroom, I definitely recommend this tissue box. It's really cute yet simple, and it'll go from a boring tissue box to a cute tissue box in just a matter of seconds. And that's my point of view.